Hey there Free Fire fans, wanna squad up with your besties, challenge your rivals or just grow your Free Fire crew? Well, today I am showing you how to add friends in Free Fire. So without any delay, let's start the video. First thing first, launch Free Fire on your mobile phone. Once you are in the lobby at the top right corner, you will see a little friend icon with two people. Tap it, boom, you are in the friend section. Now look for the add tab or the plus icon. Tap it and you will see a search bar pop up. Type in your friend's UID. Once it pops up, tap add next to their name and bam, they get a friend request. Pro tip, telling your friend to check their request tab so they can accept you back. If somebody added you, just tap the requests, tap in the same friend menu and hit accept. Now you are officially Free Fire buddies. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can add friends in Free Fire. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.